Well, hello, and we are here at Morton Lake. We've just rolled in, and as you can see, we've got our campsite set up. Between the two of us, we each have jobs we do, and we just get at it, and before you know it, it's all done. And that's it for the next 4 days. I'm looking forward to sharing some of it with you, and hopefully you'll get to see us catch some fish. Wow, what a great day again. A little breezy, not quite as warm yet, but it's early and I'm off to try and catch a fish. So we'll see what happens. Hope to get one on film, but you never know. I haven't been successful yet, but this could be a first. So let's see what happens today. It's a good day. Okay, well, I caught one. That was a keeper. Nice little cutthroat. Shook off a few little tiddlers and got one off the hook, and had a number of bites, but there's one that goes in the frying pan, and it had swallowed the hook too, so that was okay. So one for me and lots back in the lake for the fish. So we'll have this later today. Just caught a really awesome trout, but I'm going to have to show it to you when I get a little bit in a better position. I've got another bite. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. I'm back at the campsite. I missed that last bite, but that's okay. And I decided to call it quits. There's all kinds of little bugs biting, but I want to show you what we got here. There's 3 beautiful fish that I was able to keep and let go. I say quite a few. So here we go. These are the 3. It's a small, medium, and there we are, right there. Beautiful, good eating little cutthroat trout. I'm very, very happy to have them, and now I'm going to clean them and put them in the fridge for eating tomorrow. So what a great night. I'm just out for the last paddle before going back home tomorrow. So I thought maybe you'd like to see a little bit of this lake. So I'm just going to paddle along the shore, take a few casts, and just enjoy it. Well, the sun's just going down and I'm kind of fished out, to tell you the truth. I've had a marvelous few days. The weather's been very cooperative and I'm pretty happy. So I'm just going to make my way back to the van, to the campsite, have a little fire, and call it a day. Yes, great. I think this is the best campsite in this park. Here's our old dog. He's getting pretty old. More than 13 and a half now. But he's a good old boy. That's Harley. And there's old Blue Lady all packed up, and Bob just picking up the blocks. So we're happy, and we're going to have a safe drive home. One last look at the lake. There's a loon just sitting out there saying goodbye. There he goes down. Isn't that a picture this morning? Beautiful. Thank you, Morton Lake.